Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to publish news on Google News. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Publisher Center website. Now sign in with the Google account that you want to use for your news publication. Then click on Add Publication. Here enter your news website URL. After that, click Add. Now enter your publication name exactly as you want it to appear in Google News. Make sure the name matches your website branding. Next, select the country where your organization or business is located. Then check the box to confirm that your publication is principally and permanently located in the selected country. After that, click Add Publication. Now you will be taken to your publication dashboard. Here add your publication description. Write a clear summary explaining what type of news and content your website publishes. Then upload your publication logo. Make sure the logo is clear, high quality, and matches your website branding. Next, go to the Google News section and click Edit. Here, add your website sections or news feeds. You can add categories such as world news, technology, business, sports, entertainment, health, or any other sections available on your website. Then, review your content settings and make sure your articles are publicly accessible without login requirements. After that, verify ownership of your website. Google may ask you to verify your site through Google Search Console. If your website is not already verified, follow the instructions provided and complete the verification process. Once verification is complete, return to Publisher Center. Now review all publication information, including the publication name, website URL, logo, content sections, and contact details. Then add your contact information so Google can reach you if needed during the review process. After that, check for any warnings or missing requirements in the Publisher Center dashboard. Now click Publish or Submit for review. Google will review your publication to ensure it follows Google News content policies and technical requirements. During the review period, continue publishing original, high-quality news content on your website. Once your publication is approved, your articles can become eligible to appear in Google News and other Google News services. You can return to Publisher Center anytime to update your publication details, add news sections, or manage your news settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.